You're the only power. You're the only power.
Yo, good morning. Back to the vlogs. Yeah, man. You see me up here, just in a little thing, getting some gas. Came back for the Cherokee. So yeah, just out here to run little errands, man. I thought I'd bring y'all with me. You know, little stuff I gotta do. So yeah, let's get this day started. Let's do it. So you know when you like, it's that time of the year where it's starting to get cold. You don't know if you're hot or cold or what. That's where I'm at. If anybody else sick out there, I hope you guys feel better. I got an app. If you guys are like an Android user, you got an Android phone or anything like that, let me know. And I got an app for you. You can literally watch anything like this for free. Your favorite TV shows, favorite movies, anything like that, man, let me know and I could drop it down in the description. I got a website for your phone though, and to tell you the steps how to do it, and you get all that stuff for free. But today is the day. Steph Curry, the guys, it's the first game of the season. You guys don't know this. I am a big Steph Curry fan. I'm a big Golden State fan. I love Steph, I love Clay, I love Draymond. You know, you gotta love Kevin. You know, why not come to the best? You know, that's a teeter-totter. But I love the whole team. I like how it was before, but what the heck, it is what it is, and I can't change that. I love the game. I love them guys. I love Golden State Warriors. I love the way they play. So I had to do it. So I had to get this. It's the day premiere. So we went, I got a 50-inch. And this is what happens. Everything's good. I think so.